It's cold, it's great. As you can see, the snow is coming, and what perfect time to do an unboxing video. Today, we are going to unbox the Toro Power Clear single stage snowblower. Okay, so we picked this up at Home Depot, brand new, and yeah, we are going to open her up and set it up in the middle of a storm. Really no point for me taking it down other than to move the boxes away. I'm gonna set it back up on there, and yeah. So this thing is, it's about 85 pounds, so I can lift it. Sometimes it might be a little tough. I do have ramps for, you know, when it actually snows, but right now this guy is not heavy. It's pretty easy to do. Let's finish putting it together. So these are your little handle locking pins. It's pretty simple for that. You can kind of just push it out, line it up to the hole right there. I don't know where the camera is. Line up to the hole right there and kind of just push it. Like I was saying, these are the locking pins. It's really simple to put them in. You put them in, line them up, close that up, and then you basically just spin that the correct way in, and then that kind of locks your handle, tightens it up all the way, and your handle's not moving. So, which is great because your handle is what controls the auger right here, so that this guy spins. So yeah, let's make sure that they are completely tight on both sides, and then I'll show you guys how to put the chute on, because I'm pretty sure that's the next step. Okay, so the chute's pretty easy. We're gonna line them up with those 3 holes right here, and then we're gonna put these screws in it. Yeah, so I will show you in 1 second. In 3, 2, 1. Bolts are a bolt pattern, and you can use standard Phillips. My only suggestion is make sure you have an extension just to go into this guy. Other than that, everything is good. Thanks. I think the next step, we're getting oil in this thing. So this is a 12mm socket. But yeah, this is a 12mm socket that I'm going to use to put that in there so that I can string this guy up. And I'll show you how it is afterwards. Not going anywhere. This is where we're going to put the oil. It comes with some 530. Yeah, so what we do is unscrew, and then we're just gonna add the oil in until it kind of fills. Let it sink, do a little more, because this is a dipstick. We want it to be kind of up on top. So and we'll just slowly do it. Don't need to go crazy. And you can see, filling her up. crazy. It's not done yet. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, after using a whole thing of oil, I put a little gas in. It tells you to basically just pull it like 1 or 2 times, and then prime it, and it's gonna be smoky for a little bit. That. The craziest thing out of both of them, they are the exact same engine. So this one is a 212cc engine, and it's a single stage. This is the same thing, but it's a double stage. Okay, so now you're probably like, why are you showing me this and building it? Well, because I run a lawn care business. In the winter, I do snow removal. So, 2 things has happened so far doing snow removal here in Canada. It is the end of November, and I've already snow blown 4 times. In that case, my old snow blower, right there, died. Some rocks got caught in the auger and just blew the whole thing. It's also a snow blower that has been through everything, and it's old as hell. So I went and I picked up this guy on a last minute thing. Whatever, it's nothing pretty, but I scratched some new cement, and I'm not a big fan of that, and I'm gonna have to get that fixed. So in my little brain blast is you buy a smaller dude with a rubber 1-stage auger. I'm excited to let you guys see how this thing runs. I'm excited to kind of put it through the work. I see a lot of other companies with it. So yeah, let's let the snow come. I don't know if you can still see, it's kind of snowing. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick one of those things. Maybe it didn't work. Yeah, the next scene is gonna be me doing snow removal. is awesome. It goes pretty hard, not gonna lie. As you can tell, I just did my driveway, but I had a crap ton of ice and it just ripped through it, and now there's like no ice on the sky. So that's really cool. That first snowfall was straight up just ice storm. So yeah, no, this thing's awesome. Just because it's fresh in my mind, honestly, the thing was really easy to put together. It just takes regular gas, and it ended up using that full jug of oil. So that is kind of cool. That Toro gives you that full oil with it. Yeah, the only downside I think is having to do the auger all the time. But we will see. I'll see if I get annoyed or not. I don't think I will. Yeah, just be super safe out there. No matter what you're using, just, yeah. But this Toro guy, I kind of like it. I already like it. And there's no snow. And probably from the video footage of me doing with snow, I probably am like, yeah, or I'm probably hating my life. Who knows? It is all a conundrum here. So yeah, thank you for watching this guy. This is the unboxing and review and put together of the Toro Power Clear. If you guys had that same snowblower, let me know in the comments how you guys like it. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. Okie dokie. Bye. How do I turn this off? Clearly I'm doing this as a joke.